Hi everyone, welcome to Urki Electrical channel. Today we will show you how to wire the electrical in a room. We have this room ready to be wired. We did put all these boxes up. We will show you how to wire a sub panel and how to wire receptacles and switches, 3-way, 4-way switches and receptacles, GFCI receptacles to protect the other receptacles downstream. We will show you all that here today. This is an office with a lot of outlets and switches and receptacles. So here we will put 3 lights in the ceiling here for the office. One will be controlled by, as you can see, there's a motion sensor switch and there's gonna be a 3-way switch for the next light. The other light will be controlled by the motion sensor. We have the TV cable that we're gonna put up here in that box there, and then put a receptacle for the TV up there, and down here we're gonna have another receptacle, and we have everything ready to connect those receptacles and the TV outlet right there. And we have the junction for the TV cables over here. For the sub panel, we have the breakers, 220 amp breakers for the receptacles and 115 amp breaker for the lights. And we have the ground bar here ready to put inside the sub panel. As you may know, in the sub panel the ground is not connected to the neutrals, so the ground bar is separated to the neutral bar. So everything is ready. We will show you right now how to do the connection. Here are the tools that we will need to do this job here today. Okay, now we are going to start by the last receptacle. Start wiring the last tool here. So we pull the wires out that we get ready. We only have the ground wire, the hot wire, and the neutral. So we gotta measure 6 inches, and this is, let's say, 6 inches. Put it right there, and use our wire strippers. Check if first you can check if this. Yeah, we gotta make a round because there's no tip in for this receptacle right here. We have a 20 amp receptacle here, and remember we have a 12 American wire gauge here, so that's rated for 20 amp too. So we will strip the wires, and as you may know, the ground wire is the most important wire in the electrical wiring. So, and when you are putting the hook on the knot, you gotta put it clockwise and use these strippers tight very nice around the knot before you screw it on. And you tighten the knot very nice, very tight, look, very good. And then the neutral is the T slot in this 20 amp receptacle. So that means the white wire gotta go on the brass screw here, or the white screw. And then because we're not using this other knot, we tie it down too. You gotta tie it down. Then the next thing to do is to put the hot wire on short slot side. There you go. It's in. Tie it very nice. As we're now using this knot too, we tied it down. Okay, we finished tying it down. Now put it inside the box. You go down, you go up one time, and you push it in. Make sure it's not hard. Then you put it in. There you go. Now, the next thing, we have to open the wall plates. See. That's it. We have the wall plates tied on it. Okay, so as we are here, now we're gonna do the four-way switch over here. Over here is gonna be a four-way switch, because remember, when you're using three-way, four-way switches, you gotta put the four-way switch between the two three-way switches. So over here we will put the four-way switch here, because this is the middle of the circuit. 6 inches out. We will connect all the neutrals together. Black and the red will be, in this case, the travelers. We will pick up the ground, connect it to the switch. Yeah. This is a four-way switch right here. That's what we're going to put up. Four-way switch. To do the picture, we will be using this ideal connector. Very useful, very easy to use. Just put the wire till you hear the click inside, and then put the next wire till you hear the click. And as you can see, if you can see it, you can see the copper. The coppers, you see, it's showing the copper. That means it's good connection. We'll put the two neutrals together. And for this one, because we will use a wire nut, because it's just two wires, we don't need to use the ideal connector that has 4 holes used for 4 wires. There you go. Okay, so you can secure the neutral inside. Okay, now we have our ground wire connected to this 4-way switch. So remember, this 4-way switch, when you're using it, we have 2 sides. One side is gold color and the other side is black color. So it's your choice. You can put the in here or the out on this side. The black and the red wire on the same wire. They will be connected on the same side, same color screws. It don't matter where you put which color, don't matter. Just put the same wire on the same side and tie it nice. Okay. Especially for this one, I will put tape around because this is too out to touch the ground.